What? It is already February? I guess it's time for a new What's New in Surfshark episode. But before that, I would greatly appreciate if you hit that like button. It helps us make more awesome Surfshark content. But now, let's begin. Our goal at Surfshark is to secure your digital life. And starting in 2022, we are releasing yet another tool to help you do just that. I proudly present to you Incogni. To understand what Incogni does, let me first present the problem. It is no secret that we all use a bunch of apps and services such as Facebook or Google. And while these services are free, it is an open window for your data to be collected. Meet data brokers. These guys collect data on you from anywhere they can. Public records, apps you use, and services you log into. From that, they can get a ton of information about you. Things like names, ages, genders, phone numbers, interests, and more. This helps data brokers create an intrusive portrait about you and sell it to companies for marketing purposes. But guess what? You can put a stop to this. There are currently 2 laws that mandate brokers to delete your data on request: the European GDPR and the Californian CCPA laws. Here's the thing though, contacting these companies, writing requests to them would be extremely time consuming. According to our study, which you can check out here by the way, if you were to contact one broker at a time, it could take 66 years to finalize your data inquiry request, as there are around 4,000 such companies around the world. So here is where Incogni comes in. With the extensive legal experience and knowledge, the Incogni team will contact data brokers on your behalf to request your personal data to be removed from their databases. Incogni will do all the work for you while you can sit back and relax. Okay, but how can you get started? Well, before you start, you must know that at the moment, Incogni is only available in Europe and the US. To start your fight against the data brokers, go to incogni.com and register on the site. Then you will have to fill in a form and sign the power of attorney document. After that, confirm your email and you're all set. At the moment, Incogni has procedures in place for handling requests to 76 data brokers. This number will increase as time goes on. What is nice is that you will be able to follow the progress on the page, like how many companies were contacted, if your data has been deleted, etc. Now is the time to put a stop to your data being collected by all these brokers. So go to incogni.com and begin your fight. Now, let us get back to some Surfshark app news, starting with the Android 2.7.7 update, which added a reorganized settings menu similar to other apps from the previous month. We also added the Hindi language to the app, which you can change from the app settings menu. All Surfshark 1 users will be happy to know that this update made the antivirus smoother and more stable. And last but not least, as a bonus, this update also added better battery optimization so you can stay connected for longer. Now, moving on from Android to Apple. Surfshark iOS Update 2.25 and the macOS Update 3.12 came out and brought some neat improvements. If you are using the WireGuard protocol, your connection will now be even smoother. On both iOS and macOS, you're now able to copy the login code when using the Login with Code feature. Another small change is that you're now able to also quickly copy the IP address from the Connect screen by clicking on it. So if you need to paste your IP address somewhere, then this will help you do so. And now, time for quick bits. Time for the quick bits, the little bits, the little bits. Last week released a new video titled How the Internet Revolutionized Mobility at the Price of Our Privacy. You can check it out by clicking on this card here. After watching the video, you might think twice before allowing apps and services to access your GPS location. On our website, we released a new research project which explores which countries ask Google to remove the most content. What we found out is that Russia has made the most takedown requests over the past decade, topping the chart on our list. But if you want to see where other countries rank, then check out the full study by clicking on this card here or via the link below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hey, if you're curious whether or not you should get an antivirus in 2022, then check out one of these videos right beside me. That's all from me. Take care.